So I think I burned out my VB921 because I did not invert the signal, and this sucker got so hot after 5 seconds you couldn't touch it with your finger with it in the car running. So I've ordered a new one, and what I'm going to do now is take this out, solder my new one in, and make sure my dwell is set right, and hopefully the car will fire up again. That's it. Thank you. Alright, I just put the new VB921 in. Here's my old one. I just cut each end and then heated up and pulled it out of the solder. Resoldered the new one in there, right there, and now my hot glue gun is warming up, because it appears that this is hot glue that's holding the nylon threaded nut on. So I'll just put a little hot glue in there and run it over to this next one, and that's it, and put it in the car and fire it up. Hopefully fire it up. So that's it. The new one is installed. Let's see if she runs. Okay, my car was giving me some trouble with the megasquirt, so I found out what it was. I put a new VB921 in the megasquirt, which I think is the coil driver or something. I know it's got to do with the spark, but on Megatune it was not getting a distributor signal. Checked out all the the ohm readings or whatever of my wires to make sure there was no breaks in it. Replaced that VB921 in the megasquirt. What the problem ended up being, I was getting just nothing, no fire, no nothing. So inside the distributor is this little jobber right here, which the chopper wheel rides around inside there, and goes through this thing here, and it reads the little holes in the chopper wheel, it's called, the little disc looking thing. Well, the joy of having a junkyard, Z-Car junkyard in Fort Worth, all Z, is I took from a Z31, I think, 300Z, I took the internal workings of that distributor and mounted it inside my distributor, which I guess is actually an upgrade because it's a totally, it's a more of a sealed unit than this is. So that was it, man. I put this in, put it all back together, car started up. So I've been without my car for well, 1 week, because today's Friday. It was last Friday that it started messing up, and I guess I'm lucky I got it home, because I haven't been able to start it since I got it in the driveway. But so that's it. There's my little megasquirt venture. It gave me a little problem. Troubleshoot it. Find out my next step. If it wasn't in the distributor, or wasn't something like this, I was just going to send the megasquirt back to DIYautotune.com, have them test it, because I don't have a stimulator board or anything, and that's it. So it started up. So now I got to put everything back together. I took my relay box off, relay board off, checked all the wires, all the connections, just checking everything. So anyway, I'm breathing a sigh of relief, because it started up and everything seems to be fine. So that's it. Thank you very much.